and you're saying, that's piss. They're trying to simulate what really happens, but in real life... Well,
He's gonna talk to him. Like, there's nobody. Come on, ellos son familia, pues.
Hey.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? I got the camera. What the hell? I have two cameras. We're gonna check the cameras. Oh! Just like they lose out. Holy shit, accident.
What the heck? Oh!
Somebody's got their turn signal. Yep, they're gonna cause a crash. Oh, yep, they hit.
They hit. Oh no!
Oh,
Oh my god! What?
I don't know what they're doing.
Maybe you're in the middle. Oh, I know.
Come on, move!
Stop it.
Back it up!
Where are we gonna go? Baby, he's like crazy. Don't... There, you gonna park there.
I can't. They won't move.
Is this tell him it's mad. You're gonna... Is it broken? It's broken.
I don't know.
I think it's broken. So look, the light is only like on here, on the right side.
Here, back up right there.
It's broken, baby.
You need to lock. Fucking look out.
Baby, stop. Go that way. Why you... Oh. Baby, you're in the middle.
No, she's going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. I'm trying to go too. You move your ass. Oh, now it's a privilege thing.
Baby, just go this way. This way. Oh my God. Why she doesn't move? Baby, just go that way. You have plenty of room there. Oh my God, baby.
What?
Go that way. Oh my God, we're in the middle of something. Are you gonna fit there? Is this
Back it up.
Oh my gosh. Baby.
Uh-oh. Coming back out in the road.
Wow, what's that guy doing?
Oh no! Oh no, he's gonna get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Who's he getting?
I don't know. There he goes! There he goes! Whoa. Eek.
You had the bigger gap. Oh, now this other one does. I'm getting over. These Brembo brakes work pretty good.
I got 3 bikes. I got 3 of them. You pulled in front of me like hell, I like to cut you. You need to watch what's behind you before you get hurt.
You weren't near me, man. You're good.
I got 3 bikes. I got 3.